Simplify the square root of 14 over 153. Take the square root of the numerator and denominator separately. In the denominator, 153 equals 9 times 17. The root of 9 is 3, so move it outside. The denominator still contains square root 17. Rationalizing removes that root. Square root 17 over itself equals 1. Multiply by this factor. The value stays equal. Multiply across the numerator, then across the denominator. On top, multiply the roots to get square root 238. On the bottom, square root 17 times itself is 17. 17 times 3 is 51. The simplified exact value is square root 238 over 51.